Okay, day 4, and the rear bumper is off. Boy, is that a pain in the ass. So it's been off about 2 minutes. Just want to check for any damages. We're going to mark these spots so when we put it back on, we know where all the freaking screw holes are. There's one, looks like it got damaged. Well, no major cracks. Got a broken piece there. That's okay, it's hidden. Nobody sees that. And 14 years of sludge. Budweiser flavored lock. I wonder how long that's been there. So we'll go ahead and change out the lights while we got it out. Clean these up. This has been out before. Someone took the bolt out and didn't put it back in. So we have to find a bolt for that. A little damage there. See if we can fix that. The backup lights weren't working before for some reason. We'll check those here and make sure the bulbs are good. Well, I got this out. We'll go ahead and maybe get another antenna. At least take that one out and clean it up. But what we got to do now, after a break, is pull them 4 bolts and the same ones on the other side. This subframe, this sub cradle right here just pulls right out, and disconnect the safety cables. There's 4 bolts underneath for that, and this puppy will come out. Oh, what a chore.